Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about my reusable bowl covers. What are these? They are reusable bowl covers. I can't say clearer than that really. Basically what you have, this is one of them, this is the smallest one. And this is in a new print, Kingfish print. And essentially what it is it's cotton on the top, food safe, PUL layer and some elastic, and it's really simple. I started making them after a request from a local company who makes vegan food, plant-based foods I should say, plant-based foods, and they run yoga classes, and at these yoga classes you get absolutely gorgeous, amazing plant-based foods. I know because I go. And where I go, they've got a kitchen, so they can produce them in the kitchen. Where they got a new venue but didn't have a kitchen, so they had to prepare the food before they went and then serve it. And so they decided to use these Buddha bowls, so full of lots and lots of tasty things. So they asked me, could I make them some covers for them, little covers, in their company colours with their company logo on them. And if you scroll through my Instagram feed, you'll see them there. I'll put a little link down in the description. And they really liked them, and I thought, well, do you know what the heck, I'm gonna run with these and see if other people like them. Well, you do. So all you do is, and I'll show you in a minute, I've got various bowls. I sell them as a set of 4 because I think it's more useful that way. And here's my little bowl, my little enamel bowl, and it's literally, it covers, it's quite taut, which I quite like. So it's like a little drum. It's quite taut and it just protects the food. So you don't need to worry about covering with cling film. So basically it's an alternative to cling film. So we don't use cling film anymore. We either put them in plastic tubs or we use these little bowl covers. And let me show you. So here I am. Here's my hands. All you do is slip it over the edge, 2 hands, and there you are. So it covers, keep it in the fridge. And if it gets dirty, I mean, I tend to find that all I need to do is wipe out the insides and let it dry naturally, and Bob's your uncle. Or if it really gets mucky, because obviously things do, you can pop them in the washing machine at about 40 degrees, no more than 40 degrees, and you can also put it in the tumble dryer as well on a low setting. So there's 4 in the set, cover various sizes bowls, breakfast bowls, pasta bowls, and the big one covers, there we are, covers a big Pyrex dish. So that's it. So I've really enjoyed using them. I'm really pleased to see that you all enjoy buying them, and that's it for me. Enjoy your reusable journey, and I will see you again next time. Bye.